What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I am Blake Manning and thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. Today is going to be a good video. It's a part 2 to my video last week of me in New Jersey, but now I'm in Philly with some family and yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Make sure you turn on those post notifications to stay notified every single time I post a video. Without further ado, let's get into it. First off, we just got to Philly and the house we're staying at has a shuffleboard to play some shuffleboard, which was fun. And then we went to the local carnival to ride some rides and do some carnival games. So, whoa, yeah, enjoy. Guys, we're about to go, me and Ethan are about to go on this ride. It's not going that fast on camera. It's not going that fast on camera, but it is going hella fast. Yeah, it's sketchy and it's scary, but you'll see the video in about 3 seconds, so. Bro, I was passed out, like, not dead ass. That was the worst ride I've ever been on in my life. Me and Ethan were crushed. I'm spinning. Bro, 0 out of 10, worst ride. Do never go on that ride right there. Never. So now it's the next morning after the fair, and we got some fun things planned. We're about to go do some fun things in Philly. We're gonna go to, I think, an art museum. We're going to the Liberty Bell. Like those kind of places, yay. But I'm eating my breakfast right now for the day and watching some YouTube. I'm eating some yogurt with strawberry, banana, blueberry, and granola and honey. And then I got some monkey bread right here, which is gas. I've never had that before. And I just finished my plate of bacon right here, but they're making more, so yeah. Bro, how far can you get it? How far can you get it?
I don't know.
Alright, my turn. Alright, we're about to run up the stairs. Yeah, we'll see who gets first. I mean, yeah. I'm not a runner, not a track star. Oh, I'm here. Let's go. Oh, it's dark. We're about to go see the Liberty Bell and something else, but I forgot. But I will show you guys that in a second. I'll vlog it in a second. Alright. The Liberty Bell. What's up, guys? We're going to get Philly cheesesteaks and we're walking down the street right now, but I just found out some really good news. Some really good news, and I don't know if I'm supposed to share, so I won't, but it's really big and it's so exciting. You guys have no idea, but I'm gonna just say it right now, so if I can say it, then I'm gonna put it in, but if I can't, I'm gonna take it out. But I'm gonna work with, which is insane. You know that, it's crazy. But yeah, we're walking to get Philly cheesesteaks right now, and I'm happy. So we went to this place called Jim's Steaks, and it is one of the top places to get cheesesteaks in Philly. It was really good, 10 out of 10, yeah. The next day we went to a family's house and we did this thing called Christmas in July. I don't know if you guys do it or it's just our family, but we do this thing called Christmas in July where we get gifts, eat good food, hang out with family, and it's a really fun day. God, my hair is not cooperating today. But yeah, that's Christmas in July. So
I'm in the hotel room. It's 4. It's like 4:20 in the morning. I had a nice 5 hours of sleep. Not even. I kept waking up. But I get to sleep on this first flight to Chicago, and then from Chicago we go back to California. Oh. How's your guys' day going?
we made it to the airport. Waiting to board. We should board in like 19 minutes. So. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on the video, and turn on the post notifications to stay notified every single time I post a video. Let me know what video ideas I should do next in the comments down below. Make sure you guys follow me on all other platforms. Instagram, blakeXmanning, TikTok, Blake the Goat. I hope to share with you guys the good news I was talking about earlier in the video soon, but stay tuned about that too. Stay blessed.